Your new teeth were delivered today. They look great. How was your overall experience at Smile Now?
Oh my gosh. At first, scary. I was really nervous. And I think the hardest thing was picking the right place and just going through the process. But I'm really glad that ultimately I went with you guys. I made the decision.
Awesome.
So-
What made the experience so special?
I like Taylor. She's wonderful. And then Dr. Poppy, of course. Being understanding, you're one of the best experiences.
Thank you. How does your new smile compare to what you had before?
Oh my God, huge. My teeth feel, I like that they're a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. Like before, I was more nervous about smiling. And now, like, I purposely smile and like show my teeth instead
Good.
of kind of closing my mouth. So it's a huge difference.
Good. Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you feel more confident now than before your treatment?
Very much so.
Good.
100%.
What's the first thing you're excited to eat again?
A hard apple.
Yeah, there you go.
Can't wait to eat a hard apple.
Good.
Did you see that?
Would you recommend this treatment to someone thinking about getting dental implants?
Very much so, especially if they feel like they need their whole mouth done. It'll change how you feel. You don't have to go to the dentist anymore. For me, that's the best part because I had to go so often and the stress of always having to go continuously for problems.
Right.
And now I don't have to worry about that. And yes, 100%. Do it. Get implants.
Good.
If you need it, get it. You won't regret it.